Welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. Although it has undergone some changes over the years and is now part of the focus mode, the core functionality remains the same. I'll guide you through the steps to disable it quickly and easily. First, let's talk about the evolution of Do Not Disturb mode. In recent iOS updates, Do Not Disturb has been integrated into focus mode, providing more options and customization for managing your notifications and distractions. But don't worry, the basic principle of silencing notifications remains unchanged. To disable Do Not Disturb or any focus mode quickly, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Here, you'll see a button labeled Focus. If you tap the icon, it activates the last used focus mode right away. But if you tap on the word focus or hold down the button, you'll see a list of all your focus modes. In this list, you can see all the different focus modes you've set up, including the standard Do Not Disturb. Simply tap on the active focus mode to turn it off. This is a quick and accessible way to disable it whenever you need to. For more in-depth management, head over to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Focus. Inside this section, you'll find all your focus modes listed. You can tap on each one to see detailed settings. Here, you can turn off specific focus modes entirely or even delete custom ones if you no longer need them. The focus settings also allow you to manage who can contact you during each mode. You can specify certain people who can bypass the mode and reach you in case of emergencies. Similarly, you can control which apps are allowed to send notifications and which ones are blocked. So whether you need to quickly turn off Do Not Disturb mode from the Control Center or manage your focus settings in detail from the Settings app, you now know how to do it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.